Hey guys, HB Garage here. In today's video, me and my dad got a camber kit, which is an upper control arm for the front with camber adjustments, and a rear camber adjustments kit. So it comes with the front and rear. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like right now. This is my first time unboxing it right here. Just opening the box. As you can see, these right here are the upper control arms with camber adjustments right there, so you can camber the wheel in or out. But this is what they look like for the front. They're in blue. Really nice. And solid bushings on the ends. It's a really solid product, so like that. Put that down right here. And then of course another one for the other side. So that's what they look like. Upper controlled with camber adjustments. And then here is the rear. This is the rear. So this is the control arms for the rear with camber adjustment. You can see some nice bushings on there. Really solid products, but these will be going on tomorrow. I'll be making a video about how we install them and how it looks. This is what it looks like right now. Just like that, guys. Not too much camber, that's why we couldn't lower it too much, but we're just gonna camber it just a little bit to make it clear, because sometimes when I hit a bump it kind of rubs a little bit. But with the camber kits and adjustments of the control arm so it doesn't move as much, it'll keep the car relatively safer and it won't scrape as much. So yeah guys, that's what you can expect for tomorrow's video, but that's what they look like. This is the rear and these are the front. And these are the front, guys. Camber adjustment and upper control arms. So that's what's going on tomorrow, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video, just giving you a quick unboxing of what I'm putting on tomorrow. But I expect for tomorrow's video to be pretty long. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, bye guys.